Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to clean your car battery terminals using a wire brush. If you've noticed that your car is having trouble starting or the lights seem dim, it might be time to check for corrosion on your battery terminals. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. What you'll need. Before we begin, gather these essential tools and materials. Wire brush, this will be your primary tool for cleaning. Safety gloves, to protect your hands from corrosive materials. Safety goggles, to shield your eyes from dust and debris. Rags or paper towels, for cleaning up any mess. Wrench or socket set, to disconnect the battery terminals. Baking soda optional, for neutralizing any acid residue. Step 1. Safety precautions. Safety is paramount. Start by putting on your safety gloves and goggles. Car batteries contain sulfuric acid, which can be harmful, so it's essential to take these precautions. Step 2. Locate the battery. Open your car's hood and locate the battery. Make sure you identify the positive plus and negative terminals. Step 3. Disconnect the battery terminals. Using your wrench or socket set, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is usually indicated by a minus sign. Next, disconnect the positive terminal. Always remember to disconnect the negative first to prevent any accidental short circuits. Step 4. Inspect the terminals. Take a close look at the battery terminals and cable connectors. If you see white or greenish corrosion, it's time to clean them. Step 5. Using the wire brush. Now, it's time to use the wire brush. Gently scrub the terminals and cable connectors with the brush, focusing on the areas with corrosion. Be thorough but careful not to damage the terminals. The bristles of the wire brush will help remove the corrosion effectively. Step 6. Wipe down the area. After scrubbing, use a rag or paper towel to wipe down the terminals. This will help remove any remaining debris and give you a clearer view of your progress. Step 7. Optional baking soda treatment. If there is significant corrosion, you can create a mixture of baking soda and water. 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a cup of water and apply it to the terminals. Allow it to fizz for a few minutes, then scrub with the wire brush again. Rinse with clean water and dry the terminals thoroughly. Step 8. Reconnect the battery terminals. Once the terminals are clean and dry, it's time to reconnect them. Start with the positive terminal, tightening it securely, followed by the negative terminal. Step 9. Final check. Finally, check everything to ensure that the connections are tight and secure. Start your car to verify that it's running smoothly. Conclusion. Cleaning your car battery terminals with a wire brush is an essential maintenance task that can help keep your vehicle running efficiently. Regularly checking and cleaning your battery can prevent future problems and extend its lifespan. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video soon.